Aloha, I'm Kahu'Alalani and I'm coming to you here on Maui, this beautiful place. You can hear the birds. Setting the tone here for HeartH Star Festival. It's such an honor to be part of it this year and creating this virtual festival, since we cannot come together on the island of Maui, Hawaii, in the very pico, in the very center of the world. I do blessings here on the island and blessings for the world, and I'm looking forward to doing the opening blessing on the first day of the festival here in May and connecting to all of you, and I hope you will join us. And if you're watching this in the future, that you can still connect to us, for we are all connected in the great cosmos, under the stars, under the heavens, on Mother Earth. Here, I'm grounded to the earth, grounded to the heavens, and Mother Earth is connecting us. Inside of COVID, inside of anything on the planet, we are free. We are free, and we are centered in our heart amongst the stars. I will be teaching about the Hawaiian moon phases, the moon phases that have now been released, the spiritual significance, and that which has been taught for thousands of years, but kept very secret and hidden. And those are now available to you and to all of us. For every day, the moon changes, her phases, her faces, and each of them means something, whether to go within, in the beginning of the hilo moons, in the beginning or the ending of the Kahu'Alalani moon phases. So I will be sharing some of that, and I will be sharing the Ha ritual, which is breathing and certain phases. Oh, could you hear that? So beautiful to share some of the magic. I'm standing on the hills of Haleakala right now, and I'm breathing the air of the eucalyptus. I do weddings here, traditional and ancient Hawaiian weddings, and I do ho'oponopono, ha'omaimai, ho'ola'a, and baby blessings, and every form of blessings, virtual blessings, spiritual counseling, helping those that are challenged too in these challenging times, sad times, those in need of la'alapa'au, healing physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. If you need, reach out to me. You can find me on HawaiianBlessings.com or HawaiianCeremonies.com. And if you can come to the islands, we will take care of you. So I'm just reaching out to you and setting the tone here. Please join us in the beginning of HeartH Star, and just leave this open for you to feel this blessed time. Mahalo kia kua. Mahalo na au makua. Mahalo na papa honua.